Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Peugeot Traveller on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you round this one owner from new vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car. The side doors on this car are sliding, as you can see, and can be done from the remote on the key. We're going to start off inside the cargo area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of space in the rear for cargo as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through the controls as I mentioned. Having shown you the space in the cargo area, this is the space for the middle row of seats. Of course, you've got 3 seats behind that as well, 8 seats in total. Now that we've done a full circle of the vehicle, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have the rev counter on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. And beneath that, the main trip computer for the vehicle, which includes the total miles of 20,621. Also in that section, it will show you what gear the car is in. It's in park at the moment. We obviously have an automatic gearbox in this vehicle. And above that, we have a heads-up display, as you can see just there. Out to the steering wheel next, we've got our phone and stereo controls, minus paddle and plus paddle, so that you can change up and down a gear manually, should you wish to do that. And then over in the centre, the main touch screen. So you can see we've got satellite navigation just here. Really nice, easy system to use. We've also got, of course, our audio options. You can see we've got FM radio, DAB radio, AM radio, and also you're able to stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. We have USB input and iPod input as well, so loads of ways to listen to music. We've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, depending on the phone you have. And to pair your phone, hit that button and follow the instructions on screen from there. On top of all of that, we've also got a full reversing camera, as you can see. Working our way down from there, we have the climate control. So dual zone climate control, you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can decide where you'd like the air to be distributed. You can then adjust the fan speed up and down from here. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on and off. With it on, if we hit auto, the vehicle will take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain those temperatures for you. We have deadlocks, so you can lock the doors from the outside. We can also open the sliding driver side rear door, passenger side rear door from in here as well as on the key. We have child locks to stop those doors being opened from the rear as well. 12-volt charging socket, USB input, some storage, the start and stop button for the engine, and then the dial that is essentially the gear lever, if you like. But we have reverse, neutral and drive all on here. And then you can put it into manual by pressing that button. The last thing I wanted to mention are the glass roofs that you see just here. We can also control in the rear the climate control, so you can adjust the temperature and fan speed from on here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of it, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.